People have been thinking about skin color since ancient times. Many people want a fair skin. Due to sunburn, getting wet in the rain, physical illness, working in the kitchen for a long time, etc., the skin loses its natural radiance due to various reasons. Today we will show you how to whiten your skin in a natural way. First, take 2 tablespoons potato juice in a bowl. It can lighten and brighten the skin. It is known to retain moisture in the skin. They are known to reduce skin inflammation that causes acne. Because potatoes are a rich source of iron, vitamin C, and riboflavin, they can tighten the pores and also provide anti-aging benefits. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt. Yogurt, whether the Greek or regular kind, also contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. It also has exfoliating properties that transform your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and softer. Add some rose waters. The anti-inflammatory properties of rose water can help reduce skin redness, prevent additional swelling, and soothe the discomfort of acne. According to research from 2011, rose water is rich in vitamin C and phenolics, making it a natural, anti-inflammatory option for inflamed acne. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the skin and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my skin is so much fair, glowing and bright. To get best result, apply this regularly.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.
People have been thinking about skin color since ancient times. Many people want a fair skin. Due to sunburn, getting wet in the rain, physical illness, working in the kitchen for a long time, etc., the skin loses its natural radiance due to various reasons. Today we will show you how to whiten your skin at home. First, take 3 tablespoons gram flour in a bowl. It helps to remove tan and lighten skin color. A besan pack helps to reduce oiliness. Add 2 tablespoons yogurt. Yogurt, whether the Greek or regular kind, also contains lactic acid, an organic compound that aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening and shrinking pores. It also has exfoliating properties that transform your skin from being dry and dull to lighter and softer. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. Astringent qualities. Due to its high pH levels, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. Add 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder. Sandalwood oil contains antioxidants that help maintain the buoyancy and structure of the skin cells. It also reduces dryness and replenishes the moisture in skin, increasing elasticity. Due to the rich antioxidant component, sandalwood can help prevent wrinkles by fighting free radical formation. Add some raw milk. Raw milk is packed with vitamin A, D, B6, B12, biotin, calcium, protein, and other nutrients, which make it the best ingredient to nourish your skin. These properties of raw milk can hydrate and moisturize your skin, thereby helping you solve the issue of dryness and itchiness. Now apply this face pack on your face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, gentle scrub your skin and wash with normal water. To get best result, apply this face pack 4 to 5 times in a week.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.
According to dermatologists, acne, rashes, etc. are caused due to various reasons. This problem occurs when the gland gets stuck in the mouth due to dirt, sweat and pollution. First the rash, then acne. In the end it takes on a bigger size. There is also pain. Many people then get scars on their face. There are other reasons as well. Fast, take 4 tablespoons potato juice in a bowl. Potato, when applied on the face, removes ugly marks and blemishes. It also removes inflammation and reduces puffy eyes. It also delays signs of aging. When your skin is exposed to the sun, potato, which has antioxidants, protects the skin from the rays and pollution. Add 3 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a common household plant known for its skin healing properties. Using aloe vera on the face can help moisturize skin. Regularly applying a small amount of aloe vera to the face can help treat various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and sunburn. Add 3 vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E nourishes the skin from within by making the nerves stronger. To have a soft, smooth and radiant skin, all you need to do is first open the vitamin E capsule using a pin, and then apply it onto your face. Mix well. Now store in a clean container. Now apply this mixture on your dark spot before going to bed and gently massage your skin. Next morning wash your face with normal water to get best results. Apply it regularly. Continue 1 month. After 1 month you can see your skin is so much glowing, bright and fair.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.